This video I'm going to show you how to insert the SD card into the IPL10 camera. First we have the camera plugged into power. We're going to want to make sure that you have the camera not plugged into power, otherwise you can risk frying the camera. So make sure we unplug it, and to access the SD card portion of the camera we're first going to flip it over. And you're going to want to make sure that you have a hex tool to open it up if the camera does not come with it. We're just going to open up the bottom compartment here. And as you can see, we already have an SD card installed here. So to take it out, we're going to press and you'll hear a click, and that means that the spring mechanism has let the SD card loose, so we can pull it out here. And then to install it, we simply slide it back in place and then push until we hear the click and hold again, and the SD card is in place. And do not forget to push the compartment down and then also screw it back in.